What ingenious tech tracks penguin journeys through blizzards? Imagine trying to follow a tiny penguin as it navigates through fierce snowstorms and icy landscapes. It sounds impossible, right? But scientists have developed clever tools to do just that. These devices help us see how penguins survive in the harshest parts of the polar regions. They are vital for understanding how these birds live and how climate change might affect them. One of the main tools is small tracking devices called Global Positioning System or GPS tags. These are tiny and lightweight, so they do not bother the penguins. They stick to the bird's back and record their exact location, how far they travel, and how deep they dive into the water. These tags are built to withstand freezing temperatures, strong winds, and heavy snow. They send data back to scientists, showing how far penguins go to find food and how long they stay at sea. Satellite trackers are another smart technology. These devices send signals to orbiting satellites, which then calculate the penguin's position. This allows scientists to follow penguins over large areas, even when storms block their view. The data collected helps map where penguins hunt for food and identify the most important places for their survival. Some of these trackers are solar-powered, meaning they can work for many months without needing to be taken off. They also record temperature, activity levels, and diving patterns. This gives a full picture of how penguins adapt to cold weather and changing conditions in their environment. Scientists also analyze penguin feathers using a method called stable isotope analysis. This technique looks at chemical signatures in the feathers to tell where the penguins have been feeding during winter. It only requires visiting the colony once and causes little disturbance to the birds. All these technologies help us keep track of penguin populations and understand how they respond to environmental changes. By following their journeys through blizzards and icy terrain, researchers can spot threats early, protect vital habitats, and support efforts to conserve these amazing animals in the polar regions.